राइड भी तैयार है, हम भी निकलते हैं हमारे राइड पे। एवेंजर 220 जिंदाबाद। एवेंजर 220 at the Suzuki Matsuri event. So bikes getting ready. Bikers of Christ, Bikers for Christ group from Goregaon, all ready to rock and roll. So guys, welcome to this new vlog. I hope you have heard this name as Suzuki Matsuri. So here we are on this Sunday morning, 12th April 2026. As you can see, really geared up with the riding gears and our lineup of bikes, which we are about to start. And we have joined in with the Bikers for Christ. This is a group from Mumbai. So they have a group called Bikers of Christ. So you can go ahead, there will be a link shared in the captions. So go ahead and check out the group. So let's start the day with this bike ride to Suzuki Matsuri. And Suzuki Matsuri they have launched a new bike, the new edition from the Bergman. So a lot more to see. The Hayabusa will definitely be there. So let's see what all we have in store on this day.
सस्पेंशन और अभी 800 में बैठता है उसको सस्पेंशन 800 को कंपेयर मत कर मॉडल पड़ेगा ना ये 3 आएगा क्या and this is what the bracket yes ऊपर मत करो ना साइड से निकालते हैं
I'm sure some of you are extremely happy.
Gavin, 251 of them are taking these beauties home.
I'm waiting for that. We're going to have it in a while. We're here to unveil the Bergman, but we're also here to see 251 people go home with their new Suzuki Bergman Street. Are you guys ready, Mumbai?
That's massive. Make some noise.
This is history in the making. May I request Kavato-san to please share a few words.
Everybody, come on, put your hands together.
Ek kaam karte. Let's do one thing.
Okay.
You're in Mumbai.
Yes.
Okay. You're in India. We all love Suzuki. That is why we are here.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Can we give San a huge round of applause, a huge Mumbai welcome? Can you put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen? Come on. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. Okay, namaskar. मेरा नाम कवातो है. Okay, so first of all, thank you for coming today, such this hot day, and continuous support to Suzuki. Well, thank you very much. So today we have unveiled new Bergman. This model represents our commitment to deliver one and only experience, a unique combination of styling, comfort, acceleration, and good mileage and practicality. So this is no other scooter can be. So do you think? Okay. So for today, from today, it's more important of your experience, your feedback than our explanation. Please enjoy riding new Bergman, feeling new Bergman, and please feedback. Tell us your feedback, and your feedback, honest feedback, make us very much sophisticated product. So please continue to your support to Suzuki. And this Matsuri event is not just a event. Please share enjoyable mind together. Okay, thank you. Desi dhanyabad. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Freestyle stunts. Just look at the crowd, man.
मुंबई जब तक आप चेयर नहीं करोगे एक खतरनाक स्टंट्स नहीं करने वाले आपको आवाज करना है दो चीज करना है आवाज करना है और इनके स्टंट्स रिकॉर्ड करने मोबाइल निकालिए रिकॉर्ड कीजिए because we need to capture this moment everybody come on let's take our phones out okay guys come on
Enjoying his breakfast at Suzuki Matsuri. So good show. Only waiting for you. For the bike deliveries will be happening today. 250 bikes all lined up for delivery. So what do you think? What is your take on the deliveries on Suzuki Matsuri? Let's book it. Book karo.
मैं चाहता हूं कि आप अपने स्कूटर्स
So here we have the delivery of the Suzuki scooters, mostly Bergman. 250 Bergman scooters for delivery today. Maximum record of scooter deliveries in one day. Can you beat that?
जितने भी ओनर्स हैं मैं चाहता हूं कि आप अपनी गाड़ी में बैठ जाइए ओके सारे ओनर्स बैठ गए अगर आपके स्कूटर में बैठ गए हाथ दिखाइए मुझे देखने
Look at the beautiful building.
मेरा ये thumbs
Should buy flat here, not this.
अरे मुझे ये दिखाना है
This is becoming flat only. This is waiting to go.
ignition में ओके
So many years have become for this thing.
okay so let's do it
Wait.
in 5 4 3 2 1 start your engines yeah a warm welcome congratulations to the Suzuki Bergman family
Suzuki design
They'll be joining us. They'll be joining us in a while
electric.
for the
Yeah,
presentation on
spot on.
stage.
So everyone who's interested into the nitty-gritty details of the scooter,
Can we have Sia Sakuma San SMC test rider?
The
Gentlemen,
electric
a warm welcome
EXS
to India and a warm welcome to
model
Mumbai. And
on
please share
display.
us some important details on what
This is like the blue, midnight blue, green,
please take over.
pista green, white, and the black and red. So 4 models available as the E-Access spot on, and these are the details. So let's check this out. This is the new future electric, the Suzuki E-Access. So guys, it's our day come to an end at Suzuki Matsuri. So here's Clint, ready to ride on another ride.
Very hot day to choose for this event. I don't know why they chose. At least something should have been there. Very
Shelter. So we are planning for a small ride. Let's see you all on the other side of our ride. The bike after delivery, 250 bikes off the record. So it's time to leave, and here we are heading out to our parking lot, and we have different bikes in the different spaces. So this is the area for big bike owners. Here the Hayabusas, I can see Hayabusa, BMW S1000RR, and here's the 1000RR. It's got blinks. And the best bike जो बोलेंगे. I think it's the Benelli TRK. Not 2502 I suppose. So it's time to leave now from the Suzuki Matsuri event. Guys come with their V-Storms. Looks like around 1,000 bikes have come. Bikes and the riders to the Suzuki Matsuri event. So it's time to say goodbye. So I and Clinton went out for a small spin to Yor. There we had some good lunch for the afternoon, as it was too hot in the afternoon to stay over here. So, and from there then we went home. I had a nice nap and back in the evening for the evening program. So let's hear out the evening set.
तस्वीर में ताब हो गई मैनू शीशा तेरे नाल बात हो गई I hope you like it guys और हंसे मेरे अपने इस जन्म में कुछ होगा नहीं मेरा कहा था ये सबने सवाल जो भी उठा अब जवाब दिया रब ने तेरा हाथ छूटा मेरा साथ दिया रब ने हरियाली में छुपा बैठा ये सांप मुझे डसने छोटे मुद्दों पे आ जाता है लगने जैसे स्पीकर मेरे गानों पे तो रेडियो जा बजने चल संभल के सोच मेरी भारी पर
Salimos para la carretera, la gente a mí me pregunta y yo le digo que yo estoy en Mariana, la 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 Mariana.
But the voices in my head go I know I should sleep but the voices in my head go
April 12th, 2026. So let's meet up for the next Matsuri event. And that's all for today.